Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen in Amsterdam. So the weather is very gloomy and rainy today. I actually got all drenched and I need something good to comfort me. What I thought about was to make something sweet and simple as usual, and it's called Baci di Dama. What are they? Baci di Dama, also called Dame's Kiss. They are very tiny little biscuits made with roasted almonds and a few other ingredients, but with chocolate in the middle. So let's get started. So what we need to do first is to grind our hazelnuts. These are already roasted and peeled, so they are good to go. But if you need to, you will need to crack them and put them in the oven a few minutes, get off the peel, and then let them get cold and you are ready to grind them. Also, you can find ready-made hazelnut flour and it will work as well. This is 150 grams, so let's put them in the grinder. Let's start putting in our hazelnut flour. Then we add the sugar in. The white flour. The vanilla. Sugar. The extra aroma. And the butter, which this time should be cold directly from the fridge. Also 150 grams. Tiny pinch of salt, and you can work it all together. Mix it, and you will obtain the dough for our Dame's Kisses. They are called this way obviously because we will couple two biscuits and they will be glued together in a kiss with some chocolate. I will use dark chocolate, but you can also decide to use Nutella or the chocolate you prefer. This has to come together, and then we will have to make it very cold. Some even put it in the freezer for half an hour. Otherwise it should stay 1 hour in the fridge. There is a variation to this. Some people use almonds instead of hazelnuts, roasted also. See, now it's all come together, and we use our hands to make a ball as usual and let it rest in the cold. As I said, 1 hour in the fridge or half an hour in the freezer. And here we are again. Our dough is out of the fridge. Take it out of the cling film, and we are ready to make our little balls. I'll make it a bit softer by doing this, but we don't actually need to lay it because we will have to make some tiny little balls with our hands. If your hands are cold, it's better. So I think even smaller. This size is okay. We can put it on our oven tray we just press slightly so that the base becomes flatter, and that's where we will spread the chocolate. As you can see, it's not difficult. I'm gonna try making them the same size as much as possible. So this should be very cold, otherwise, because there's a lot of butter, they will just flat out. So we have to be as quick as possible. Ta-da. I think we should get about 30 Baci di Dama, considering that they will be coupled, so 60 little balls in theory. Our oven is already on. Temperature should be low, between 150 and 160 degrees Celsius, because the Baci di Dama should stay light in color. We are not looking for the golden shade. And they will need about 20 to 25 minutes to bake. So here we have our nice little balls. I suggest you put them back in the fridge, and so that they can go in the oven when they are really cold. It's much better, so you don't risk that they completely spread on your oven tray. And now that our biscuits are baking in the oven, we can make the filling. We have a very nice dark chocolate bar here. We just need to melt it on the stove in a water bath, or you can also use the microwave, and this will serve as a filling to glue our two biscuits together in a delicious kiss. And here we have our water that is almost boiling, and some dark chocolate made into pieces. It will melt soon, and we will use it to couple our Baci di Dama. So here are the baked Baci di Dama. Taste is very good, I can guarantee. Now we will just fill them with this very smooth chocolate sauce. It's dark chocolate, as I like it. So you can use a teaspoon or a knife. Then you take a similar size one and you make. And the kiss of heaven. Who wants some?
Hey, you have in the chocolate. The chocolate here is this.
Spread the chocolate on the biscuit. Now you spread the chocolate on the biscuit.
Yeah.
Dai. Get some chocolate,
Yes.
not too much. Okay? And put it on the biscuit. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay, goed zo.
Okay.
Well done. Now spread it a little bit with a... Okay, a bit too much.
Ow.
Serena. A little bit too much. Put it on that side. Okay. Okay, and now you cover it.
Because-
Very good. And now you put it there.
Yeah.
Well done. Tiago, where is yours? Put the other one on. Appoggia il cucchiaino.
Per fortuna non mi sono sporcate di cioccolato.
Mangialo,
però-
mangialo col cioccolato, vai. Prendi, adesso basta.
Lecco il cucchiaio.
Dai, copri con quello.
Posso leccare
Copri
il
con quello.
cucchiaio?
Sì, lecchi il cucchiaio e poi basta. L'hai accoppiato? Ok. E adesso lo metti qui.
Troppo buono.
Lecker?
Lecker. Mangia.
Lecker. Ok.
Ok.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this new video with Baci di Dama, and do not forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next one. Ciao!